Scientist Fox here, coming to you live from the Space Exploration Laboratory. I'm looking forward to our journey through space together. Time to make craters.
Today we're going to investigate if speed and size matters for asteroids. As we can see, I have 3 blocks of clay, small, medium, and large. Let's see which one goes fastest and which one goes slow. After you're done making your balls, what you're going to do is you're going to take your ruler and your pan of flour and you're going to see if size really matters. So as you can see, I have a 12-inch ruler and I'm going to be dropping them from the same height. So I'm going to start off with the small one. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so a little bit of flour going everywhere, but alright, and as we can see, not that much flour. Now I'm going to measure the diameter of the crater left behind. And as we can see, it's about at 3.8 centimeters. And what I recommend is try not to get your fingers in there, but if you do, it's okay. Just try not to make them super big. Okay, we're going to be doing the same thing from small, medium to large when we just did the small. 3, 2, 1. Okay, still not that much flour. No, yeah. Now we're going to set that aside and we're going to do the same exact thing. And this is actually just at 5 centimeters. Alright, last but definitely not least, we have the big one. And it's okay if you mesh 2 colors up, just make sure that it's bigger than the medium. Three, 2, 1.
Wow.
Alright. Now we're gonna go ahead and measure it. And this is at 5.3. And yeah. So, does size matter? To answer your question, yes. Yes, it does. As you can see, we went from small, medium to large, and as we can see, there is a little bit of a difference. But technically, yes, size does matter. Now what you're going to do is smooth out your flour, that way we can start on our second investigation. Doesn't flour feel so good? It feels so good. And you can just do it in the area that you were in, but if you really like the feel of flour, you can do it all over. Now what we're going to do is test if speed matters when an asteroid hits a planet. Okay, so we're going to use the same size bowl and we're just going to drop it from a high point to see if speed matters. Now we're going to start at 10 centimeters. 3, 2, 1. Alright, now we're going to do it from 20 centimeters. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to do it from 30 centimeters. 3, 2, 1. The more height that you have, the more speed the asteroid will get. Okay, now what we're going to do is measure each of the craters to see if there's a big difference. This one was 2.5, this one was 3, and this one was 3.2. Interesting. So the faster you're going, the bigger the crater.
Mission accomplished, H-Teamers. Make sure you share all of your wonderful experiments on our social media.
Hey everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks!